has decided that they are going to give BJP a chance after 27 years. What does it mean for the BJP? And do you feel that Aam Aadmi Party has no one else to blame but themselves? Did the Aam Aadmi Party dig its own grave?
Samia, firstly, thank you for considering me worthy of having on your show. Much obliged. Number two, it's Balle Balle for BJP in Delhi. It's Balle Balle for BJP and Aap is Thalle Thalle. And I heard the झाड़ू metaphor. आम आदमी पार्टी के झाड़ू के तीले तीले हो गए हैं और वो तीले तीले बिखर गए हैं और आपकी जनता और आपके दर्शक वो देख रहे हैं. Number three, I think it's Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's Shiksha and Sabka Saath model has defeated Aam Aadmi Party's Sharab and Sheesh Mahal model. It's Modi ji's dedication and development model which has defeated Kejriwal's drama and deceit model. It is our commitment which has defeated loot and lies. Now, when you said what are the reasons for AAP's defeat, it's double A, aloofness and arrogance. The people of Delhi have sent a strong message not only to Punjab but across the entire country that do not fall into the trap of these political parties who take voters for granted. Kejriwal is guilty of cheating Delhi, taking voters for granted, betraying the voters. Every pothole of Delhi, every drop in Yamuna, every rattle or infrastructure in Delhi, every year pollution was a living testimony of AAP's betrayal model. People of Delhi were simply fed up, and people of Delhi wanted कि जो नेता भाजपा के लोगों के दिल में रहते हैं वो चाहिए, जो आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता तिहाड़ में रहते हैं वो नहीं चाहिए. जो दिल में रहेंगे वो सरकार चलाएंगे और जो तिहाड़ में रहते हैं वो सरकार चलाने के लायक नहीं है. And I think being from Punjab, Samya, I want to make one more point. Delhi has also sent a strong message to Punjab that be aware of AAP's model of negligence. And I think on a lighter vein, Samya, Bhagwant Mann will be a very worried man today because Kejriwal is jobless and Mr. Bhagwant Mann, whether he'll retain his seat for a long time or not is only time will tell.
Absolutely, Mr. Shergill. And while celebration seems to be on at the BJP headquarters, we are getting those live visuals. We're putting it across on our screens. But Mr. Shergill, when it comes to Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party, they have time and again maintained that they are not here for the power. They're not here to be in the political mainstream space. They are here to serve the people. We also heard what the Aam Aadmi Party convener had to say right now, where they did concede defeat, congratulated the BJP, and said, we are going to stand by the people. We are here to serve you. Does the Aam Aadmi Party and its party leaders, the cabinet ministers, really live by this principle? Else Sheesh Mahal would not have happened.
Samya, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, the Ali Baba and Chalis Chor Brigade, and Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is the Pinocchio of Indian politics. The Pinocchio of Indian politics. From Wagon Hour to Falcon 8X jet in Punjab, from one bedroom to Sheesh Mahal, from living on the street and climbing an electricity pole to bathtubs and imported Japanese toilet seats, Arvind Kejriwal has turned morality, the truth, the value of a commitment made to the public on its head. So I think today people would rather believe an Ali Baba more than Arvind Kejriwal. So if Arvind Kejriwal says it's night, then people are 100% sure it's day. I think the next best step for Arvind Kejriwal is to get a good lawyers team, because he and his team are definitely going back to Tihar and the legal world will keep them busy.
Okay, we'll see what lies next and what lies ahead for Arvind Kejriwal. But we did see how the Aam Aadmi Party on several issues maintained that the BJP is not letting Aam Aadmi Party work for the Delhiites. They maintained that the LG's office or the centre for that matter is not allowing them to ensure the welfare of the people. Now that the double engine Sarkar is here in the national capital, Mr. Shergill, can we then expect that the grievances of the people pertaining to civic issues, toxic air quality, contaminated water, cleaning of the Yamuna, jobs for the youth, perhaps better public transport, will many such concerns be addressed?
A new era for Delhi's development has begun. From excuses, now as you turn the radio channel, from excuses, drama, blame game, BJP is going to change the radio channel to dhol beats, development, commitment, vikas, infrastructure and upliftment. Like Prime Minister Narendra Modi has put India on the global map, Delhi will be put on India's map back again to its full glory with the highest development index. And that word, Modi ji को नामुमकिन को मुमकिन करना मोदी जी का दूसरा नाम है और अपने जो कहते हैं उसको कर देना मोदी जी का दूसरा नाम है. सपने नहीं हकीकत बुनते हैं तभी तो उनको मोदी जी कहते हैं. And people have seen it. So people of Delhi are not worried. They said he's reliable, he's commitment oriented, and it's okay, tata bye bye for Mr. Arvind Kejriwal for exactly the same reason.
Well, we have seen how the Delhi BJP has plastered the capital with posters of Dilli ke dil mein Modi. But I have to ask you this question, Mr. Shergill. For a large part of last year, 2024, there was a vacuum in governance in the national capital. The chief minister, the elected sitting chief minister himself, was in the jail. There was nobody to hold the position of the chief minister. When he got out on bail is when Atishi was made the chief minister. Do you feel that somewhere Aam Aadmi Party did not prioritize governance?
Governance for Aam Aadmi Party was a mere a stick, a convenience stick, and a via media and a modus vivendi to fill the coffers and treasury of Aam Aadmi Party's political leaders and Aam Aadmi Party's political campaign. For every governance model was used for their personal conveniences, for their personal comforts. That is why Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in the parliament said, Aam Aadmi Party and their brigade believed in building houses for themselves, whereas the BJP believes in building houses for the poor. Har nal mein jal is the BJP's commitment. On the other hand, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's priority was his own Sheesh Mahal, his Aam Aadmi Party's social media campaign, Aam Aadmi Party's scam in education. Now let me assure you, Samya, and to your viewers, every rupee accountability, every rupee looted from Delhi will be recovered from Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and his brigade. He will be held accountable. और अभी पिक्चर बहुत बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Absolutely, Mr. Shergill. Thank you for taking our time and joining us over here to share your view and put the perspective of the BJP over here on Mirror Now.
Thank you, Samya. Thank you. Bye.